Igbo are not only exporting trades and enterprise, they are exporting identity, confidence, and beauty. Today, we are witnessing an inspiring new wave of cultural pride among non-Igbos who have married into Igbo families. These people are not just learning about the culture, they are living it. A perfect example is a group known as the Igbo Queens of South Africa, made up of South African women married to Igbo men. November cannot relate. Please let's watch this video.
Igbo culture while creating their own fraction of the August meeting in South Africa. This is a cultural fusion you absolutely cannot miss. Let's take a look.
Right, my name is Colourful Ngozi Anya from the Igbo Queens of South Africa. I'm the founder and the former chairperson of the Igbo Queens of South Africa. And today we're celebrating our August meeting, the 5th anniversary for Igbo Queens. So this is the 5th anniversary in 2025, right? So starting the journey of Igbo Queens, it started with talks between me and my mother-in-law. She's now late, may her soul rest in peace. And she used to motivate me that, August meeting, this is what is happening, this is what is happening. But because during the course of the year, it's not easy to travel because of the children, the school, So we always have to be the side. So now it came about a plan that, okay, we'll have Igbo Queens, the August meeting. The whole meeting started as an August meeting.
Blurring geographical lines and uniting traditions, Igbo Queens inclusively bring together a subgroup of African women who are married to Nigerians in South Africa, while creating an atmosphere for cultural blend, building a life thousands miles from home.
Ndi Bumjemone, I want to sincerely thank every one of you for your love, support, and engagement. Your encouragement means so much to me, and I don't take it for granted. We are about to embark on a big project aimed at promoting and showcasing Igbo to the world, and I humbly ask for your support. Please donate and be part of this movement. Thank you once again for your constant love and unwavering support. Much love and kisses to you all. See, amongst all the ethnic groups in Nigeria, the Igbos stand out as the most globally admired and culturally influential. No matter where you go, America, Europe, Asia, or Africa, you will find many people who are drawn to the charm, color, and confidence of Igbo culture. It has become a global brand, something people are proud to identify with. Igbo guests are back. Have you seen those Igbo Queens of South Africa? Yes. Those gorgeous women organized their own August meeting, a yearly gathering of Igbo women that promotes unity, development, and womanhood. The event in South Africa was not just a social gathering. It was a powerful cultural fusion that brought Igbo elegance and African sisterhood together. They dressed in traditional wrappers, choral beads, and headgears, proudly celebrating the customs and value of their Igbo husbands. It was more than a meeting. It was a statement that Igbo culture is not confined to Nigeria. It travels, adapts, and shines anywhere it goes. From London to Johannesburg, from Houston to Congo, from Kenya to Germany, mention them. Igbo are not only exporting trades and enterprise, they are exporting identity, confidence, and beauty. And yes, this is also why the Igbo are often misunderstood and sometimes attacked in Nigeria. The sons of envy cannot comprehend why. Despite years of discrimination and marginalization, the Igbo spirit continues to rise, glow, and attract admiration from the world. But the truth remains, you can't dim the light of a people born to shine. Igbo, my shoulder pad is raised high. We are global, we are proud, and our culture speaks louder than any propaganda. Our content creation, how to write basic news report and editing class is still on, and after the class, I'll help you open an international account for free or for 25,000 naira. And if you want your children to learn how to speak Igbo or write Igbo, or you want an Igbo teacher for them wherever you're based, send me a message. The section is $5. You don't want to miss it. Bye.